Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to count the number of words and character in a string. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this line defines a function count words and characters that takes a single parameter input string. Here input string is expected to be a string whose words and characters will be counted. Now in the next line here, this line defines that uses Python's built-in length function to calculate the total number of characters in input string including spaces. As a result, the total number of characters count in stored in the variable num characters. Now in the next line here, this splits the string into a list of words using the split method. By default, it separates the string at white spaces and removes extra white space. As a result of words is stored in the variable words. Now in the next line here, this line uses length method to calculate the number of elements in the words, which represent the number of words in the input string. Here, the word count is stored in the variable num words. Now, in this line, this returns the word count means the number of words and character counts means the number of character as a tuple. Now, in the next line, this line prompts the user to input a string. Here, the input is stored in the variable input string. Now, in this line calls the count words and character function, passing the user's input string as an argument. The return tuple is unpacked into the variables num words and num characters. Now, in the next line here, this line prints the result to the console using the formatted string and displays in the first line it displays the number of words and the next line displays the total number of character including spaces. So let's check this program. As we need to enter a string, hence the number of words in this string are 4 and the number of character including spaces are 15. So thanks for watching this video.